I hope you have a great day. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to design this beautiful infographic presentation slide in PowerPoint. The keys that I'm using during the design, you can see at the below bar. Follow these keys and watch the video till the end. Go to format background. I'm going to give it some different color. Go to insert, shape, and take this shape that round it from two side, make it full rounded, and let me fix it, and through this handle by holding shift rotate it, give it some different color. Go to shape fill, and through the eyedropper I'm going to pick this color from color palette. Shape outline, make it no outline. Okay, let me bring some text to, let me give it some shadow effect. First of all, I am going to give it this shadow effect. Transparency will be increased to 80 roundabout, and size will be 102, and blur will be 4 is okay. Okay, let me bring some text that I have typed earlier to save the time. Control C, and bring it to the slide by Control V, and let me put this text here over this shape, and this is the headline for this type. Make it white. Go to insert, and take a triangle, drag a triangle, and rotate by holding shift. Shape outline, white outline, shape fill, no fill, and put it here. Okay, select all these. Let me give its number 01. Revix new font, that Revix new font demo. Make it bold, and I'm going to increase its, okay, make it white, and put it here on the other end of the curve rectangle. Control G to group it, Control D to duplicate it and place it here. Control D to duplicate it, and you can increase or decrease these types again according to your requirements. Okay, let me give it some different color to all these types according to your requirements. You can give your own colors, your logo color, your company color, and also you can bring a color palette from the Google and give it this color. Let me make it at the center of the slide. Okay, I am going to put the headline up on these types, so make it a little bit smaller and make it a little bit down. I think it's okay. And now change these number types, number 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, go to insert, and take a rectangle and drag a rectangle and give the color same as the background color, and shape outline, make it no outline. Shape fill, give the color as the background through the eyedropper. I am going to pick the background color. Shape outline, make it no outline. Go to insert and take an old shape and drag an old shape vertically like this. Give it a light gray color. Shape outline, make it no outline, and soft edges. Go to soft edges, and I'm going to give it soft edges, and this old shape will give a shadow effect to the top rectangle, so it looks like that these types out from the background. Bring to front this the triangle. Sorry, that color is okay. Take an old shape and drag an old shape by holding Shift Alt. Shape of shape, fill white, fill shape outline, make it no outline. Give it some shadow effect. Increase the transparency to 80. Size will be 103 and blur will be around about 7, 8. Okay, Control D to duplicate it. And put it here in the front of the second type. Control D to duplicate it and Control D to duplicate it according to the types. Let me drag this triangle to the slide edges. Okay, I'm going to bring some icons through this icon tab, so you can find your desired icon here. In this icon tab, just type your text in the search icon bar and you will find your desired icon. Insert and bring it to the slide by holding Shift Alt and make it a little bit smaller to put these icon over these oval shape, these white oval shape. Let me check it. Yes, it's okay. Now I'm going to put these icon one by one over these all white oval shapes in front of the types. Okay, search customer, some affidavit like something written, and growth will go here at the end, and this is the meeting icon. Give it colors according to the type and change its color according to the type. Let me select one by one and go to graphic fill and change its color. Bring to front. I'm going to put the headline here in the left side, so here will let me change the font of the design, make it a little bit bigger, and put it here. Select these select the design and drag it to the right side little bit. I'm going to put these rectangle under the headline, so I'm going to align it and make it a little bit smaller. Bring to front, and I'm going to put these small rectangles under the headline. Go to align, select these small triangles and go to align and align bottom or top, and then distribute horizontally. Okay, thank you for watching.